Hey cuties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing a review on a wig from XRSBeauty Hair. This is what the wig came in. It had a cute little bow on it, but I was too anxious and I already took it out. But let me tell you the details. This is a 13x6 HD lace wig made with clear lace. It's a human hair wig. It's a 3-in-1 lace wig, meaning you can wear it blown out in its natural state, or you can flat iron it, curl it, or you can wear it wet and wavy. So I'm very excited about this. And if you enjoyed this type of content, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And let's get started. Okay, like I said, this wig was wrapped in a nice brown bow. I'm gonna show you what's inside. Once you open it, it comes with an adjustable band that has clips on it if you need to tighten your wig. The wig itself, it came with eyelashes, a wig cap, a wide tooth comb, and some perm rods. Flexi rods. And this is the wig that I got. It comes in a natural color, which is like a number 2. And I believe I got 20 inches. I will link it below, the exact measurement that I got. This is the wig right here. It's a natural looking texture and it's blown out state. It doesn't have a high shine to it. And it comes with 2 clips on the side, 1 in the middle. You have a elastic strap that you can tighten your wig with. And it also has the adjustable band in the back. It has a bit of a corn chip smell, so I would suggest co-washing this wig before you wear it. But the hair feels very soft. Yeah, it is 20 inches. I got 20 inches. So what I'm going to do is cut the lace off, and I'm going to glue it down using my Got2b spray, and then I'll come right back.
Don't you know you can't escape me? Ooh, darling, 'cause you'll always be my baby in the linger.
Alright, so I finally put the wig on. I didn't glue it down yet. But if you have a lot of hair, you're going to need to braid your hair down, because this wig is fitting snug on my hair. But I wanted to show y'all this hairline though. Look how natural that looks. It's pre-plucked, so you don't have to pluck it. This is plucked perfectly. This looks amazing. But you can see, like, this is a natural color, number 2. So you can see, like, golden brown hair. So I'll probably dye this hair later on. I'm going to dye it jet black. But let's get back to gluing it on. From gluing the wig down, I just tied it up with the scarf for about 10 minutes, so I'm going to take it off. And as you can see, it's like a white cast from that glue. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my powder. I have 2 different powders. I'm going to see which one works the best and try to blend in the lace with my skin tone. Okay, so I blended it as much as I could. Doesn't look that bad. It's a little crusty from the gel. We're going to fix that. But I just love how natural this hairline is. Like, it looks like my hair if I had a perm. Looks so good. So I'm going to style it. I'm going to show you one half of the hair straight and the other half. hair, I just wanted to show y'all. I did half of my hair curly. I wetted and I put the curling cream in my hair. And this I just passed through with the hot comb a few times and used my wax stick. But this hair is giving. I love it. I don't know if I want to wear it curly or straight. So the pros of this wig is the versatility. You can wear it in so many different styles. It's a lace front and it's human hair. You can wear it curly, straight. You can do braids in the front. The styles are endless. The cons, the only con that I have is the lace was light and the cap was a little too small for my head. So I would have to cornrow my hair down to make it as flat as possible. But besides that, this wig is it. The hairline looks very realistic. Like, look at that. So realistic. And one more con would be is the color. Like, well, it's not really a con because you can't do nothing about it. This is a natural human hair wig. So if you wanted a different color, you're going to have to dye it, which eventually I'm going to dye it jet black. But I love it so far. And I'm going to link it where I got it below. This wig is on the high end, but I think it's worth it because of the versatility that you have. And this wig will last a while. But I'm going to come back. I think I'm going to wear it curly. So I might do some baby hairs and then I'll come back. Okay, cuties, this is the finished wig. I love it. I decided to wet it all over. And on camera, you can see a white cast, but in person, I'm telling you, it looks very natural. I did a little baby hairs on the side. And the hair is about 20 inches, like I said. I really love this wig. And when you wet it, it doesn't look as brown. So I probably won't dye it because I don't want to mess it up. And on the wig, I use, it's in my bathroom, but I use a curling cream. I'll link that below. And in my spray bottle, I had water and a leave-in conditioner. Can't stop looking there. It's really cute. Show you the back. I highly would recommend this wig. I would give it a 9 out of 10. And the only reason I'm not giving it a 10 is because the wig cap is a little small. So if you have a bigger head, you would have to braid your hair down. But overall, I love the hairline. I love the texture of the hair, the versatility. And the styling options are endless. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, peace.
Ain't got really jealous.